lockdown? Not really, I bet. I'm sure sharing your study with game-playing teenagers is not really where you want to be. You'd rather be on a tropical island, sipping something exotic and refreshing. Well, look no further, because today you're going to learn how to make the TLP Red. The TLP Red is the go-to drink for Intel analysts, SOC workers, threat hunters, and cybersecurity celebrities the world over.
Now, normally, TLP Red means no sharing. But like any good salesperson, I won't let protocol get in the way of a good time.
So what's in a TLP Red? Tequila, Cointreau, pomegranate seeds, lime, dash of soda water, plenty of ice, a shaker, and garnish. Firstly, ice. A good heaped tablespoonful of pomegranate seeds. Shake. 1 shot of tequila. 1 shot Cointreau. Squeeze of lime. And throw the whole thing in. Shake again. Pour into the glass. Top off with soda water and garnish. And here you have the TLP Red.